Banff National Park is full of wonderful sights, outdoor activities, and much more. But you can also go visit Banff Town and a few other interesting resort style towns. And that's one of the places we did go to is we went to Banff Town and saw some of the sights there in the city, as well as the beautiful Fairmont Hotel that's there, as well as the Bow River Falls. So in this video, we're going to take a look at what's there to see and do in that area. So let's get going. Before we start the tour, a little bit about us. We've traveled to over 80 countries, all 50 states, and we have a variety of different videos. World Culinary Journey on Tuesdays, our virtual vacation escapes on Sundays, and plenty of destinations, culture, history, tours, and more. And with ET Family Travel, we can book your next vacation. Let's talk about Banff. It's a fairly small city, around 8,000 residents, right on the Bow River that continues on to Calgary and elsewhere. And it's a great place for hotels, fancy resorts, and it really kind of reminds me, if you've been to a city like Fredericksburg, Texas, or a nice little resort town. It reminds me of those kind of places. So you can see that relatively small. This one has beautiful surroundings of mountains, has a bus system there, but it's full of quaint shops. You have the traditional tourist kind of shops of souvenirs, and you can get anything you want there. But it also has many more kind of things that you can outfit yourself for a winter adventure, for example, with ice cleats or crampons or snowshoes, things like that. They have those kind of stores, and they also have plenty of restaurants and things in the area. It has churches and things like that as well, and sweet shops where you can get candy. And once again, there's an outfitter kind of store. You got hat store. You got a wide variety of kind of things that you can go see and do. Plenty of restaurants that you can get, and some of them with very unique food, like the Grizzly House. That's not just steak and cheese fondue, also has a lot of odd steak tartare, so raw steak, beef and prawns fondue, ostrich, rattlesnake. So a lot of different things there. Just outside, you got the Fairmont Banff Springs, which is a resort hotel that, a little over 700 rooms there, but it's kind of the castle in the valley there in Banff. So just beautiful luxury hotel. This one anybody can go into. The Fairmont Hotel that's on Lake Louise, a little more restrictive, but this particular one anybody can go to. So we went and drove by it, didn't go inside of it, but very beautiful grounds, nice resort, luxury. And as you can imagine, especially during ski season, quite expensive as well, because it's right in the middle of the pristine Canadian Rockies. So we went over to an overlook that was quite icy. There's a sign that says it is not upkept. but still, we went up there, had some great views of the hotel. And I mean, the hotel's gigantic with many pools, restaurants, facilities, and things like that you can use while there. And since it was not too far off from Christmas time, we enjoyed some of the decorations. But then we headed over to Bow Falls, 30-foot tall waterfalls that, very, very nice. And it was mostly frozen over, so it freezes over. And you can see that there's just a small area of waterfall running while we're there, but, beautiful surroundings all the same. So once again, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your next Canadian adventure.